Exercise 5B, question 1. To be honest, I usually miss this one out because we just tap it in the calculator. But at foundation GCSE, you're supposed to have learned that sine of 30 is a half, sine of 45 is root 2 over 2, and the sine of 60 is root 3 over 2. And now all we've done is we convert those into radians as well. The other thing we can notice is that when we draw a sine graph, there is a line of symmetry down here, and so that the sine of x is the same as the sine of not 180 minus x, but in the new case pi minus x. It's how we get the second answers, isn't it? So this question's all about using those things, that the sine of 3/4 is the same as the sine of a quarter pi. Sorry, 3/4 pi is the same as the sine of a quarter pi, using this. And a quarter pi sine is root 2 over 2. Then we're going to do the sine of minus pi over 3. Minus pi over 3 on a diagram would look something like this. It would be down there. So it's going to be minus the value of the sine of pi over 3. Sine of pi over 3 is root 3 over 2. So we've got minus root 3 over 2. And the sine of 11 pi over 6. So we're trying to think what 11 pi over 6 would look like. So it's almost all the way around, isn't it? It's almost all the way around to about here. It's not quite 2 pi. In fact, you've got just a tiny little bit left to go of 1/6 pi there, because that's 11/6 pi all the way around. So this is negative, and it's the negative of the sine of 1/6 pi, and the sine of 1/6 pi is a half. So this is minus a half.